really need a mirror. I'm just like staring. I'm honestly staring at this kid walking across the street. You jaywalked, motherfucker. I seen that. I seen that. Good thing I'm not a cop. I would've came down and arrested your ass. Oh shit. Good thing I don't need that anymore. Well, I just put on my motherfucking contour and it wasn't recording. Whatever. Okay guys, so I used my Gosh Cosmetics bronzer. This is my glow bronzer, so it has some glow in it. And I just took my angled brush here and feathered out on the perimeter of my face. And I'm going to skip blush, and because you can add blush if you want, but we want to focus on looking contoured and bronzy, and yeah. Yo, if I actually edited that good, I feel sick. Okay, well, I popped on my eyebrows off of camera because I already have an eyebrow routine where I pretty much do the exact same thing. If you guys want to know how I got my eyebrows like this, check out my eyebrow tutorial. It was my first video. Aw, I feel like that was so long ago. Well, like it wasn't, but that's so cute. It was my first video. Yes. We're growing, we're growing. So now I'm done the face other than highlight. I'm gonna do highlight at the end. I don't know why, I just like doing it. And I like to bathe in it. Once you have your base in your eyebrows, you're almost done, to be honest. Like, Baddie makeup, like I already said, I describe it as just full coverage, kind of flawless face, bold eyebrows, bold lashes, bold lips. It's not too much focused on the eye makeup at all. I don't even know what eye makeup I'm gonna do. I was thinking somewhat of a cut crease, just to add the illusion, but I don't know. I'm gonna do something. You'll see. So I just bitch. Okay guys, so I just threw on my lashes. You can still see my natural lashes. I'm just waiting for the glue to completely dry before I work some mascara in as well.